Turkey teeth have gone viral all over the world, and for good reason. But why are so many international patients choosing Izmir? Here are 7 reasons Izmir has become a top destination for dental work.
Most of our patients come from the UK and Ireland, but we've also got patients from Australia, the States, France, Germany. Most patients come with a Hollywood smile, like crowns, veneers, and also we've got a lot of patients that come for like full mouth implant procedures, like all-on-4, all-on-6 treatments. We've also even got like zygomatic implants, which means when there's no bones on the upper jaw, we need to install the implants to the cheekbones. We also do that kind of complicated surgeries.
Myself, I speak Turkish, English, just a wee bit of Korean. My team, we have vast, multiple languages. We have someone speaking French, Spanish, we've got German, we've got Russian, Ukrainian, so all the languages that you can think of, we have them. So if a coordinator receives an inquiry from a patient, they try their best to get in touch with the patient within 5 to 10 minutes. But as you all can imagine, there's a time difference, yeah? So what we try to do is we initially send them a WhatsApp message, regular SMS, or an email, depending on the time difference. And if they don't answer that message or email, we just give them a phone call, within respect of their regular hours back at the US or Canada, depending on the time difference. And then the first initial call or first messages, they usually go like the expectation of the patient, the concerns of the patient, what are they looking to get out of this treatment, their medical background, because some patients, although we try to treat every single one of them, there are some cases that we cannot treat. So we try to get medical background information of the patient as well. After we gather every single information that we need from the patient, we then go ahead and require some x-rays, photos, something that allows our dental team to create a treatment plan based on the documentations provided by the patient. After we receive the treatment from the medical team, we send it to the patient, we prepare them a quote, and then we walk through every single detail of the quotation and of the treatment with the patient. And if they require, and they most certainly require, we just do like an online consultation with the dentist and the patient so that they can ask every single question that they have. If they're happy with everything, if they're in the process of planning out the treatment, then they secure the plan, they secure the quote with a flight, right? We check our system, we make sure that we have enough days, we have enough space for the patient to go through the treatment. Then our transfer will pick the patient up from the airport, bring it to the clinic, we'll have our CT and X-ray taken, and after that we'll take the patient into a consultation room with our chief dentist, and then we go from there. We offer like video calls around the clinic. We have the patient like basically right here. We just go and introduce the patient to every single dentist that we have at the clinic. We introduce the patient to every single personnel at the clinic. If they require, we take them to the lab as well. We walk around the lab with the patient while on a video call. We even walk them, walk the streets together with the patient just to make sure that they see that the lab is actually ours and it's like 2 minutes away from the clinic. And we're also certified to have international patients at our clinic, which is like a bonus because most clinics, they don't have it.
I have like 5 units in the clinic and 1 surgical room. So we will take you to the consultation, and after that you will be discussing your treatment plan with your dentist. You will ask your questions and he will give your options to you, and you will choose your dental treatment plan. And after that, if you are agreeing on to have this treatment done in the clinic, we will be starting to your treatment.
So one of the best things about our clinic, I think, is that we have our own in-house lab, which helps us speed up the process. We're able to complete the treatments within like short periods of time when patients are not able to stay for a long time in Izmir. And also having our own lab allows us to do as many mock-ups as we need to. If there's anything the patient doesn't like, we're able to do a few mock-up fittings even within a day. So it helps us really make sure the patient, the dentist is happy with the whole thing, the shape, the color, the bite. We're able to do a lot of mock-ups, so it's really helpful to have our own lab and speed up the process. Our lab works digitally. When the patients arrive after the impressions, we also do a digital scan, which helps us do some 3D designs in the lab, and we're able to produce the temporaries with those digital 3D designs. So if the patient has any specific request about the design, about anything with the crowns, we're able to talk to our lab about it, do the 3D designs, produce the temporaries, try them on, and do all the changes that they might want to do. So when our patients arrive, we start with some scans to make sure everything is okay, to make sure we're giving them the best plan. And also we make sure that everything is sterilized, all the rooms, all the chairs and all the equipment is sterilized for each patient. So we do a lot of scans throughout the process to make sure that the treatment plan is also the safest and the best option for them. So we've got a lot of international patients from all around the globe. They also like the city, the weather, and the city is especially lively and fun during the night, and there's a lot of places that you can go, like after your treatment is completed. There's a lot of places that you can visit and have fun, enjoy your nights and days too.
Most of our patients, they usually contact us from UK, Ireland because of the shortness of flight. It's like 3 to 4 hours away. But for the last year, we've been getting a lot of inquiries from patients all around the world. Australia. So last week we had an Australian patient at the clinic who took like 30 hours to get here and 35 to go back to their home country. So it really changes. It really depends on the patient. If they're willing to, spend that much time from flight to flight to flight to flight, they just make their way into our clinic. And in terms of the flights, what we do with our patients is, although we're not an agency, we cannot book their flights. We assist in every single way that we can. So we ask the nearest airport, the closest one to them. We ask for their availability, like a range, like 1st to the 7th or 8th to the 15th. They give us a range and we try to look for possible flights nearest to their airport. If they're willing to take non-direct flights, we send them multiple options. And if they want direct flights, we just try to see if we can get direct flights within their spectrum, within their time frame. If we cannot, we ask them to see if they're willing to travel to another airport in their country so that we can search, more options with them. So it really depends on the patient and their preference, but we're here to assist in every way that we can.
Which countries have direct flights here?
Well, to Izmir, UK and Ireland, Spain, Italy, France, the close countries, they have direct flights. Even Portugal too, but with the US, Canada, Australia, you need to have at least one connecting flight.
Pretty much 6 months you can go to the beach, enjoy the summer days in Izmir, and also during the winter there's a lot of historical places like Ephesus, Virgin Mary's house, and there's the bazaar that most of our patients like to go. Both during summer and winter there's quite a lot you can do when you're here for your treatment.
So will it be like a conversation or will you just ask questions and I'll answer them?
More like conversation. And you can
Introduce yourself first.
So
Is that alright?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Get a great smile with Dentification. Visit a hand-picked dental clinic today.